Description: a natural complex of 5 essential oils, Angelica, Lavender, Geranium, Ylang-ylang and Patchouli, plus sweet almond oil, work together to strengthen and soften dry and damaged hair, leaving it smoother and healthier. Benefits: repairing and detangling dry, brittle and damaged hair, strengthening and smoothing the hair fiber from root to tip. Suggested use: take a generous dab and work through lengths and ends of hair. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse well. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. The conditioner works really well. It does not feel like your traditional store-bought conditioner. It's light without the greasy, oily feel. However, it does make my hair shiny and soft. Love L'Occitane.